Mm. Ay, walang sticker ate. O sige, okay lang. Ang goal naman ay mapuno ng... Wait lang, babe.
Hello everyone, we have just landed at the Mactan Cebu International Airport. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It's truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Here's our first meal. Let's eat. We're so hungry. Room tour. Deliver na yung mga gamit namin. Straightforward room lang siya. First night dinner. Buttered garlic shrimp. Nilaga. And then scallops. Their nilaga is quite unique kasi may ginger and kalabasa. It's good.